Yeah, the paint's on its way.
How much?
We don't know until it gets it.
No wonder my dog barks at you.
I think we should do the handles pink. Hello and welcome to Venom. In this episode we're going to be talking about building the track car, which is going to go black with pink writing on the sides.
That's fucking boring. Why don't we do it pink with black writing?
Okay. Yeah.
Sure, pink?
I reckon so.
Keen?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll look epic.
Let's just order it, let's not talk to Morgs.
He said to order.
Yeah, but he thought we were ordering black.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, I'll just order it.
Just do it.
I don't know, what do you reckon you're going to say?
You can tell him.
Alright. A bit more interesting than black though, isn't it?
It is more interesting.
Hello everybody!
Hello, Dr. Nick!
So you know how we were going to do the mini black with pink writing? Yeah. It's now going pink with black writing.
Right.
We thought black's boring, everything's black.
Black's the best colour in the world.
Yeah, but let's just do it pink so it's interesting.
We've ordered the paint.
Yeah, the paint's on its way.
How much?
We don't know until it gets it.
It's probably going to be a couple £100 maybe.
Yeah, right. And the rest?
Milo, the gorgeous R53. We picked it up from outside here. Pete next door, it was one of his friends, I think, that was selling it. He just had an engine rebuild or done a couple of years ago, fed up of spending money on it. We managed to get it for £100. So we came and picked it up from outside here before Venom even actually existed. I had a look at the engine, all it needed was a new cam. Managed to pick one up for 20 quid because it's not what you know, it's who you know. And it ran smooth. We planned to get it all kind of track ready. That was the initial thought of making it a track car, just for the fact that my standard one is great, but it's not a track really. So yeah, we had all these plans for it. Thought it'd need more doing, and it sat in storage for about 2 years before we actually got round to doing anything to it. It had a few dents and a few marks and stuff like that when we picked it up. Like I say, with the new cam, it did start running all right once we'd fitted that. It was completely stock, you know, stock bumper, stock everything. It did have the aero side skirts on it, so it was a nice starter point. But yeah, stock interior, just everything was a bit bland and a bit boring on it, so it needed to be changed. The original plans was to keep it black. We were just going to redo all the body, sand it all down, get rid of all the dents, scratches, repaint it black and keep it black so that it would sit nicely with my daily one, and it was meant to be beauty for the daily and the beast of a black one for, you know, for the track car. But things changed when Kev showed me some nice colourings and it ended up magenta, to Morgan's delight with the extra cost. When we first started stripping it, first thing was the bumpers, because they were really tatty. So we took off the stock bumpers and went and bought aero. They were really tatty when we bought them, so they took a lot of work to get them up to spec. Took off all the roof trim and stuff because one of the roof trims wasn't for that car, so it was letting in quite a lot of moisture, so we had to replace that. And then the interior, everything came out, new bucket seats were bought, roll cage, all of that. I did lose my temper taking out the carpet because I couldn't get it out right, so it ended up with a razor blade cut right the way through it, so I then had to buy new carpet. I've now put vented A-panels onto the vehicle just to give it a little bit more air, and it just looks a little bit more sporty. It's now got a wing fitted and a splitter, which were newly bought, and apart from that, and the seats and the cage, everything else, and new carpet. So now it's all stripped out, everything's done, we've got new parts to fit which will wait. We're gonna crack on, try and get some of the paintwork and the bodywork done, which is where Kev really comes in, and he does what he does, and he's gonna get rid of all the scrapes and bumps and make it look new again.
Sam, that's it. There we go.